Hey loves, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. So today's video, I am back with a bunch of new super cute spring beauty releases, ton of PR packages to unbox with you guys today, and I have a giveaway. I have a bunch of new spring beauty drops from Ulta and Sephora. It's a lot to get through, so I'm going to quit rambling. You guys know the drill. Grab you a snack, get you a coffee, whatever is your jam, and let's hang out. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on bell notifications. That way you never miss out on any of my future uploads. And other than that, let's just go ahead and hop straight in. First up, I have this super cute package from Polite Society. They just launched these exclusively at Ulta. It's their new blurring bronzers. I love how they come in a little compact and you get that little mirror in there with it. I've already swatched these and they are so smooth. First shade I have here is Club Tropicana, and like I said, these are supposed to be blurring. So they're very lightweight but super pigmented. Palm Royale. This one is definitely darker, but you can see literally one swipe. I was playing around with these the other day and I got one of my blurring brushes, just kind of bronzed my chest a little bit. I can already tell you I'm going to be obsessed with these. And then we've got two lash shades. You've got Copacabana, and this is a little bit of a darker one as well. I would say this one is probably the darkest one out of the whole collection. Lightest shade would be French Riviera. I'm going to swatch that right here. I know you guys, I am not the best at swatches, but just self-tanned, so I don't think it would work out too good to do some bronzer swatches on my arm, but the hand's all we've got to work with. But these are really cute. Like I said, they just launched at Ulta. Definitely blend like a dream. Also love that those are infused with hyaluronic acid. I wasn't sure if I mentioned that. So next up is from Glow Recipe, and I have a bunch of giveaway goodies out of this box for you guys. So they just launched their new liquid blushes, and I love these. First off, I love Glow Recipe. Their skincare is in my everyday routine. So when they dropped these blushes, I was super excited. So these have hyaluronic acid and niacinamide to brighten and plump, and they have two shades. So you have Berry Flush, which is a little bit of a darker kind of cranberry-ish, and then you have Watermelon Flush. These do smell like watermelon. Everything Glow Recipe comes out with smells like watermelon. Large applicator on there, and then here is Watermelon Flush, Berry Flush. Then they sent over, I have a bunch of these extras, so that's why I was going to put a lot of these in the giveaway for you guys. So we've got their Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Dewdrops. It's an all-in-one serum, plumper, and primer. And then you've got the Sun Glow one that's kind of a little bit more of a bronzy look. I'm going to swatch that for you guys if you haven't seen it. Then one of my favorite ones is the Rosy Glow. This one has a little bit more of a pink tint to it. And that one's just kind of like a sheer tinted serum. Next up, we have Too Faced. They recently reinvented their lip injections, and before I had any plumper in my lips, I used to use these religiously. It was their just regular lip injection extreme lip gloss. So they reinvented these. I'm not going to swatch all of them because I am going to put some of these in the giveaway for you guys. I'm going to swatch one of these shades, and it's called On Point. Packaging on these is super cute. And you just click it from the bottom to raise the lipstick. It's kind of like a lipstick and a lip gloss all in one. Okay, I may have raised that one up a little much, but it's a really pretty shade of red. They do definitely give your lips a plump. They burn a little, but not too much. You know how some lip plumpers can be like very extreme? These are not that. But I will say, I feel like Too Faced has one of the best lip plumpers on the market. That's just my opinion. I've already got this on my hand, so let's just go ahead and put a little bit on the lips. Another package from Polite Society. I love spring beauty releases because I feel like you get a lot of blushes and lip glosses. So they came out with two new shades of each on their Polite Pops. If you guys haven't tried these little blushes, I love them. And then their Polite Pout lip glosses. So you've got shade Miami, and these are kind of like powder blushes, but they're in a stick form. And then you have shade Malibu. The cutest little packaging. So here is the first shade. It's a really, really pretty pink. This is shade Miami. I feel like this is a perfect spring/summer blush. And next up we have shade Malibu, and this one has a little bit of a shimmer to it, and it's a coral shade. It's super pretty. Next up we have their Polite Pout, and this is in shade Jelly Bean. It's a really pretty pink. I have like 10 different layers of lip stuff on, but might as well. They smell really good. Kind of has like a cotton candy taste to it too. Don't ask. And then this next one is called Jelly Bean, and this one is kind of like a corally shimmer. It's got a lot of glitter to it. Very light pink, almost iridescent. Love their lip glosses and blushes. If I had to pick one of two to recommend, if you haven't tried anything, I would definitely say try their blushes. I can guarantee you won't be disappointed. This shade Miami is absolutely stunning. More lip products. I'm not going to swatch all these because I don't want to swatch stuff that I'm going to be putting in the giveaway. So I've got these new Fresh Kiss lip balms from ColourPop. These are the cutest. I think they came out with these around Valentine's Day. I know they're still in stores. And 4 shades they sent over. Cherry Glaze. I have this one I'm already claiming because I've already used it. It's a really pretty glossy red. And then you've got Watermelon Sugar and a just clear glossy balm vanilla cake, chocolate milkshake. All smell really good. They all smell just like what their names are. And then Pixi sent over some lip stuff, and it says you can actually use these on your lips or on your cheeks. It's a lip tint / cheek tint. And I'll show you the shades that they sent. Some of these shades look really, really pretty. This one is in shade Heavenly, a really, really pretty pink. Next up we have shade Love. Last 3 they popped in some reds and some nudes. I got a small package in from ColourPop. They just launched these. These are their new Instant Blur Tinted Foundation Balms. They have a very large shade range here. It says they're infused with hyaluronic acid and peptides from their Pretty Fresh collection. Do a little swatchy. Okay, these would be really good for like a day if you're not wanting to do a full face of makeup. This is actually blending out really pretty. You could literally just swipe this on and go and not have to go through a whole process. Actually really like these. I'm usually not one for tinted foundation, like a foundation balm, but these look really, really pretty. These just dropped in Ulta if you guys want to check those out. Our Nose collection, the Strawberry Cupid collection, dropped a couple weeks back. And I've got a couple of things I'm going to put in the giveaway for you guys. They always do a really pretty hand mirror with all of their collections. So this was the one that they came out with for this. It's got the little cherries and the strawberries on here. I have 2 of their lipsticks, and I'm going to put these in the giveaway for you guys. This one is shade 1. And then you've got shade 7, which is a really, really pretty baby pink. Gorgeous pink. It's a little bit darker. I have a discount code with them. I'll link it in my description box if you guys want to shop any of their stuff. It's site-wide. They came out with a little lotion, and all of the packaging on this is so cute. It's all Cupid themed. They've got this eyeshadow palette. This is the Honey palette, and it's a really pretty neutral. Love the shades in here. Of course, my favorite are the little cake lipsticks. They have a red one and a white one too. It's a little lip mousse, and it's so cute. This packaging is everything. So if you guys want to check it out, I will link everything in my description box with the discount code. Wasn't going to spend too much time on this collection because I think I've already showed this on a couple of shorts and in my last video, so I don't want to burn you guys out with it. But the collection is very, very cute. I got some hair care in from Monday Hair Care. I always see them in Target and in Ulta. And they sent over this huge bottle of conditioner and shampoo. It says it's for dry and dull hair. And it says it has no parabens or sulfates. I normally use Redken, but I do love any shampoos and conditioners that don't have sulfates in them. I just remember being told by my hairdresser years ago, sulfate-free is the way to go. And I've been using their dry shampoo that they sent, and I love this one. It's called the Original Dry Shampoo. It has keratin infused in it. I feel like this one doesn't weigh my hair down like some dry shampoos do, so I will definitely be repurchasing this. These both have hyaluronic acid in them, and they're sulfate free, so I might switch up and try these for a couple weeks and see how it does with my hair. If you guys have tried this brand out, definitely let me know down in the comments how you liked it. Elemis sent us another package, and I've actually already tried this one, but it's new in Sephora. So if you guys haven't tried Elemis yet, I know it can be a little bit pricey. But you'll fall in love. I've tried all of their, I think they've sent me every one of their cleansing balms. This one is their green fig. Literally leave your face feeling like baby's skin. I swear by Elemis. I love their rose serum that they came out with, and then any of their cleansing balms are always good. So I've already got one of these. I'm going to stick it in the giveaway for you guys. I know you're going to love it. And then we got some more skincare in from Pixi, and they sent us their Detoxify Eye. This is caffeine and cucumber depuffing eye patches. And then you've got a roll-on Detoxify eye serum, and it says it's infused with caffeine and cucumber. This sounds really, really interesting. And I know these aren't new, but I think this roll-on eye serum might be new, so I'm excited to see how that is. Okay, next up, I got Benefit for you guys. So they sent over some regular restocks and then some new products, and I'm going to put this one in the giveaway for you guys because they keep me stocked up. But this is a new one. This is in Ulta, and it's their Benefit Toolbox. They came out with a new, so these right here are new. This is called their Mighty Fine Brow Pen. Get meant for detailing, and this tip on it is perfect. Their 24-hour brow setter. If you want to set your brows in place, you cannot go wrong with this. So I thought that would be perfect. Ones, so two of these are in my shade. I use their brow detailer and the My Brow Pencil. These are in shade 4, so I'm going to keep those because I don't know what shade you guys would be in those. But the Precisely My Brow Wax, I wanted to throw it in there for you guys. And this is, you can shade match this to pretty much anything, I think. It will keep your brows in a place and kind of give them a little bit of a fluffed look. About you guys, but sometimes I've tried some brow waxes that smear off and everything. Like, this is smudge proof. Okay, so it's time to get to the giveaway. I'm going to switch the camera around, that way I can show you guys everything I have included, and I hope you guys like it. So let me go over everything that we've got listed here first, and I'll tell you guys the rules. It's very, very easy to enter my giveaways. You guys know that. So we've got our Benefit products. We've got the Too Faced lip injections. You got the ColourPop French Kiss, some Pixi, the Flower Nose Beauty. I think there's a little ColourPop like eyeshadow there. The Elemis Pro Collagen Cleansing Balm. And then I decided to just go ahead and keep this whole little Pixi PR box for you guys. So you've got the box and then the little Detoxify eye pads and the eye roller. We've got this really cute glow recipe bag. They had actually sent me 2 of these a while back, and I decided to put one of these back for you guys. It's super cute. And then you've got the glow recipe niacinamide dewdrops. This one is the tan version. And then the glow recipe rosy glow dewdrops. Remember, I told you guys on the last video, I picked up an extra one of these at Valentine's Day. It's the Victoria's Secret body spray, the Bubbles and Berries. It smells so good. And then an extra one of these Forever Sweet body creams from Bath and Body Works. This was from their Forever Sweet collection. So all of that will be included in the giveaway. So I'm going to make the giveaway super easy to enter. All you have to do is make sure you're subscribed, thumbs the video up, and comment down below your favorite beauty brand. That is it. I'll run the giveaway until next Saturday, which would be March 15th, and I'll come back to this video and pin the winner in the comments. And yeah, that is it. I hope you guys like it. I tried to put together some beauty products that I thought you would like, and some other pink stuff that I know my girlies like. So good luck to everybody who enters. And I guess that makes it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Good luck to everybody who enters the giveaway. Thank you guys for hanging out with me. I hope you all have a great weekend. I will probably be seeing you back here with a vlog next week. And other than that, I love you guys so much. I'll see you back here on my next one. Bye, loves.